Can we control volcanoes? Geology's perspective evolus, those awe-inspiring geological wonders, have captivated humanity's attention for centuries. Their sheer power and destructive capabilities have left an indelible mark on our history. But have you ever wondered whether we could potentially control these fiery giants? In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of volcanoes and explore the intriguing question, can we control volcanoes? Join us as we uncover the scientific insights and technological advancements that may hold the key to harnessing volcanic energy for our benefit. So buckle up and get ready for an explosive journey. Let's dive in. Understanding volcanoes. A geological perspective before we can even think about controlling volcanoes. We must first understand their inner workings. What are these natural phenomena all about? How do they form, and what makes them erupt? Geology provides us with the answers. Volcanoes are formed when molten rock, known as magma, from deep within the Earth's crust rises to the surface. This magma, rich in dissolved gases, creates immense pressure. As it ascends, the pressure eventually exceeds the strength of the surrounding rocks, causing an eruption. The erupted magma, now called lava, flows down the volcano's slopes, accompanied by hot gases and volcanic ash. Volcanic eruptions can vary greatly in intensity, ranging from gentle lava flows to violent explosions that send massive amounts of ash and debris into the atmosphere. The type of eruption depends on several factors, including the magma's viscosity, gas content, and the shape of the volcano. Understanding these factors is crucial for predicting volcanic behavior and assessing the risks associated with living in volcanic areas. Monitoring volcanic activity. Keeping an eye on the giants to even begin discussing controlling volcanoes, we need a way to monitor their activity. That way, we can keep track of any changes that might indicate an impending eruption. Geology provides us with various tools and techniques for monitoring volcanoes. One of the most important aspects of volcano monitoring is seismicity, which involves recording the earthquakes that occur around the volcano. Changes in seismic activity can indicate magma movement or an increase in volcanic unrest. By analyzing the frequency, location, and strength of earthquakes, geologists can assess the potential risk of an eruption. Another vital tool is remote sensing, which utilizes technologies like satellite imagery and aerial photography. These methods allow scientists to observe changes in the volcano's shape, surface features, and gas emissions without direct human intervention. Gas analysis is another crucial aspect of volcano monitoring. By measuring the composition and emission rates of volcanic gases, scientists can gain insights into the magma's composition and identify potential precursors to an eruption. Furthermore, geological and hydrological monitoring involves studying changes in ground deformation, water chemistry, and other physical parameters. All these monitoring techniques work together to provide a comprehensive understanding of the volcano's behavior, helping scientists predict potential eruptions and assess their impacts. Possible methods of controlling volcanic activity. Now that we have a solid grasp of how volcanoes work and how we monitor them, let's explore some of the ways we might be able to control them or at least mitigate their destructive power. It's important to note that fully controlling a volcanic eruption remains a monumental challenge. However, there are certain measures that could potentially help alleviate the risks associated with volcanic activity. One approach involves altering the magma's viscosity through the injection of fluids. By introducing substances like water or foam into the magma chamber, it might be possible to decrease the magma's viscosity and reduce the likelihood of a violent eruption. This method could potentially transform a highly explosive eruption into a more gentle lava flow. However, carefully managing the amount and type of fluid injected is crucial to avoid triggering an eruption. Another intriguing idea involves the use of electric capacitance. By placing electrodes into boreholes drilled into the volcano, an electric field can be established across the magma chamber. This electric field could potentially stabilize the magma, reducing the likelihood of an eruption. However, ensuring the effectiveness and safety of this method would require extensive research and testing. In addition to these techniques, there are ongoing efforts to develop advanced monitoring systems and early warning networks. By improving our ability to predict volcanic eruptions, we can better protect nearby populations and infrastructure. Early warning systems can provide valuable time for evacuations or other protective measures, reducing the impact of volcanic disasters. The reality check, challenges and limitations. While the idea of controlling volcanoes might seem like a thrilling concept, it's essential to be aware of the challenges and limitations involved. One major obstacle is the extreme conditions found within and around volcanoes. The high temperatures, pressures, and corrosive volcanic gases create a harsh environment that can damage equipment and hinder human intervention. Additionally, the remote locations of many volcanoes make accessing them for monitoring or intervention purposes logistically challenging. Furthermore, each volcano is unique and exhibits different characteristics and behaviors. What might work on one volcano may not necessarily work on another, requiring tailored approaches for each individual volcano. Perhaps the most significant challenge is the unpredictability of volcanic activity. Even with advanced monitoring systems, accurately forecasting eruptions and their impacts remains a complex and uncertain task. Unforeseen circumstances can quickly change the situation, making real-time decision-making and adaptability crucial. The ethical considerations of altering natural processes. As we continue to explore the possibility of controlling volcanoes, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of altering such a powerful natural process. There are several ethical considerations to keep in mind when it comes to controlling volcanoes. One significant concern is the potential impact on local ecosystems and biodiversity. Eruptions are natural events that shape ecosystems over time. Altering these processes could disrupt the delicate balance of local habitats and affect the species that depend on them. It's crucial to assess the potential consequences for local plants, animals, and their environment before considering any intervention. Another ethical consideration is the potential for unintended consequences. Volcanoes are complex systems, and attempting to control them could lead to unforeseen and potentially harmful outcomes. There is always the risk that our interventions may trigger more frequent or intense eruptions, posing greater dangers to human and natural systems. Thorough research and risk assessment are essential to anticipate and minimize these risks. Moreover, the potential benefits of controlling volcanoes must be weighed against the ethical costs. Is it ethically justifiable to alter a natural process that has shaped our planet for millions of years? Should we prioritize the potential benefits of harnessing volcanic energy over the possible disruptions to ecosystems and the uncertainties of unintended consequences? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and public discourse. It's also essential to involve local communities and indigenous populations in discussions about volcano management. These communities often have deep cultural connections to the land and should have a say in decisions that affect their homelands. Their traditional knowledge and perspectives can provide valuable insights into the potential impacts of any interventions. Ultimately, the ethical considerations surrounding volcano control highlight the need for a precautionary approach. Before proceeding with any large-scale interventions, we must thoroughly assess the potential risks and uncertainties and proceed with caution. Open and transparent communication with the public is also crucial to build trust and address concerns. By engaging in thoughtful and inclusive discussions, we can navigate the ethical complexities of volcano control and make informed decisions that consider both the potential benefits and risks. Conclusion: living with the giants. As we conclude our exploration into the fascinating world of volcanoes, it's clear that while the idea of controlling these natural wonders may seem like a captivating concept, it's fraught with challenges, limitations, and ethical considerations. From the unpredictable nature of volcanic activity to the complexities of manipulating subterranean forces, the path to controlling volcanoes remains riddled with uncertainty. Nevertheless, the pursuit of this goal has pushed the boundaries of scientific understanding, leading to significant advancements in geology, monitoring technologies, and hazard assessment. Rather than seeking to control volcanoes, perhaps the most prudent approach lies in learning to live with these powerful giants. By improving our monitoring systems, understanding their behavior, and embracing sustainable practices in vulnerable areas, we can better protect ourselves and thrive in harmony with the natural world. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our planet, we must remember that while our curiosity and ingenuity drive us to explore the unknown, it's in our best interest to respect and coexist with the awe-inspiring forces that shape our planet. So the next time you stand in awe of a volcano's majestic presence, remember the incredible power it holds and the delicate balance that sustains our world. Let's strive to be responsible stewards of our planet, ensuring that future generations can marvel at these natural wonders for centuries to come. What do you think? Is it possible to control volcanoes? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey of discovery.